A very important cloud concept you need to become aware of is scalability. Scalability is the process of increasing or decreasing resources based on workload demand. And there's two types of scaling that you need to be aware of. To begin with, we have vertical scaling. This is also known as scaling up, and it's more around adding additional resources to increase the power of the workload. A good example of this is a virtual machine that's already running. You just add additional CPUs to that virtual machine. Horizontal scaling is the other type, and it's also known as scaling out. And this is where instead of adding additional CPUs to that specific machine, we might add additional machines, additional containers, spin up additional functions, things like that. Another way to look at it, and to make sure we hit home, is vertical scaling is about increasing the size of that workload. You can see it gets bigger because it's still the same workload. We're just throwing more CPU, throwing more memory at it. That is your vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling is about adding more nodes, essentially scaling them out up to the maximum, or whatever you want to support in your machine based on performance requirements. And again, that is horizontal scaling. So know the difference between vertical scaling and horizontal scaling.